just a second. We're just going to get before we get started, I just want to really thank our sponsors and our exhibitors. As I'm sure you all know, the exhibition is both really strong support for the conference and the society, but it's also another chance for us to see what's advanced technologies that exist displayed in the field. Many of the exhibitions that you'll see inside are being shown for the first time here. So it's a great chance for you to meet colleagues, to meet companies, sign new contracts, start new business, and it's I'm going to pass over to Attendees who will tell us some of this.
This year is phenomenal because 2019, before this year, used to be the largest exhibition in SID's history. So this year, we have the largest exhibition by 10% over 2019, highest number of new exhibitors, largest footprint. So this is really a record-setting year for us as a society, and thank you for everybody for joining us.
Oh, 힘들어.
All right, so the Display Week 2025 is launching right now, and everybody is entering the exhibits. I'll be doing a full video coverage in 4K 60 of all the latest displays. Here's BOE at the entrance, Tanma. Everybody's right here. It's going to be exciting. TCL, this Samsung. Let's try to get
There was a guy who robbed the
the president interviewed. Still standing around here. All right. Okay. Hey, how are you? All right. Let's walk with the flow. I will be trying to do more than 75 interviews. I'll try to cover everything. I mean, as much as possible. It's not possible to cover everything. There's only 3 days.
Stay with me.
From China, ICDP. Oh. We had dinner together. Yes. Right?
All right.
Yes, thank you.